ਪ੍ਰਾਈਵੇਟ ਹਸਪੀਟਲ ਦਾ ਬਿੱਲ ਇੰਸ਼ੋਰੈਂਸ ਕਵਰ ਕਰੂਗੀ ਕਿ ਨਹੀਂ?
मुख्यमंत्री सहज योजना कार्ड हैगा, फिर कोई टेंशन नहीं, थोड़ा सारा ट्रीटमेंट कैशलेस है।
ਬਿਨਾਂ ਪੈਸਿਆਂ ਦੇ?
जी हाँ।
ਹਰੇਕ ਨਾਗਰਿਕ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਮੁੱਖ ਮੰਤਰੀ ਸਿਹਤ ਕਾਰਡ ਜਦੋਂ ਬਣ ਗਿਆ ਤਾਂ ਉਹ 10 ਲੱਖ ਰੁਪਏ ਦਾ ਮੁਫਤ ਤੇ ਕੈਸ਼ਲੈਸ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਇਲਾਜ ਕਰਾਉਣ ਦੇ काबिल भी होगा, एलिजिबल भी होगा।
पंजाब सरकार लेकर आई है दुनिया की पहली सेहत योजना। अब पैसे के कारण पंजाब का कोई भी नागरिक बढ़िया इलाज से वंचित नहीं रहेगा। सेहत का हक सबके लिए।
No, sir. Please listen to me. He started his speech. Please let him continue. He started his speech.
I need a clarification because Parliamentary Affairs Minister quoted me.
Honorable.
He took my name.
Sir, what is, see, you want him to speak or not?
Look, this is only for, this house is only for them.
What is
this?
This
Is not for us. What is this? This house is only for them.
No, once again. Mr. Venugopal, kindly be seated once again. No, listen. No, please listen. What did you say just now? What did you say just now? What is this yar? What is this yar? This is Parliament. This is Lok Sabha. You can't address the chair. You cannot address the chair with yar. What is this yar? No, you cannot address the chair by saying yar. No. Please take back your words. You can't say chair yar. No. You cannot. No. Honorable LOP is standing on his feet to speak. You are not allowing him to speak. माननीय राहुल गांधी जी, आप बोलिएगा. No. Please allow him to speak. 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 No.
चेयरमैन साहब यार कह दिया तो क्या हो गया? आफत आ गई है?
No, not correct. No. There is a quorum. Not correct. That is not true. There should be a quorum of the house. There should be a quorum of the house. There should be respect to the chair. You should know how to behave. No, not correct. Honorable Rahul ji, please speak. Please continue to speak.
Speaker sir, if the issue is about me quoting a magazine which I have authenticated, I am happy not to quote it directly. No problem. But I have to be allowed to speak about it.
Yeah.
Honorable LOP,
You have,
Shri
Speaker
Rahul
sir,
Gandhi ji,
Chairman
please
sir,
listen.
Chairman sir.
You have been given permission to speak on the Honorable President's speech.
I am speaking.
What are you telling? What permission are telling to LOP?
Speaker sir.
And yesterday.
Sir, Speaker sir.
and yesterday.
One second. Speaker sir.
Permit
Sir,
him to
Speaker
speak.
sir.
What is this?
Sir, Speaker,
Sir.
1 second.
Sir.
1 second. Speaker sir.
Sir, yesterday, Honorable
Speaker
Speaker
sir.
has
It
given
is not a
ruling.
permission that I am being given, Speaker sir.
Yeah. That's why
I am not being given a permission.
What is the permission?
I am the leader of
Under
opposition of this
Rule
country.
349.
You are not giving me permission.
Here's the leader.
It is my
Under
right.
Rule 349. Under Rule 349. No. Honorable Speaker has given a ruling under Rule 349. Under Rule 349, Honorable Speaker has already given a ruling. And if you don't want LOP sir to speak, I'll have to give opportunity to others to speak. If you don't want LOP to speak, I will have to give opportunity to others to speak. No, please listen. I am giving opportunity. ये नहीं चलेगा. Honorable LOP will speak. He can speak. He doesn't require your support. He will speak.
1 second, please. Chairman sir. Speaker sir, I am.
Please, 1 second, sir. Please, sir.
Chairman sir, I am objecting to the word permission. That is not the correct word because I am not given permission by anyone. I'm leader of opposition. So I'm just objecting to that.
Politicians are with the-
I have called your name.
Everybody speaks with the permission of the chair.
Please.
Nobody
Because,
is
sir,
above the chair.
there was an altercation.
Everybody speaks on the permission of the chair.
Please speak, sir. Once again.